Guys, it's your girl Dark Kitty here with you guys again. So guys, today we will be making some lotion slime. That's right, we're making lotion slime, baby. And thank you for my fans that followed me. I have some fans that follows me on Instagram, but I will put my Instagram down below, but not in this video, in the next slime video, okay guys? So you guys can follow me, okay? So the lotion slime is like the best. Like fluffy slime is like mostly with shaving cream and Elmer's glue. You can use any type of glue. I mean, you can try any type of glue, but you know, Elmer's glue is the one that you want to use, you know? So yeah, we're going to make some lotion slime, and so let's get to it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like and watch all my videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're back. I had to get the ingredients because I wasn't prepared, but officially I'm prepared now. Okay, so now let's see what our ingredients is. Oh, sorry if I'm using a marker, but I'm using a marker to mix my slime, okay? Because I got no time to be looking for something to mix with. Okay, so you guys can already see that you need detergent. I'm using Tide. You can use starch or borax. Those are the only three you can use: Tide, starch, or borax. I'm using Tide. You'll need Elmer's glue. This thing is almost out, so let's not make this fail. Please don't make it fail. Okay, and then you'll need lotion. I'm using Body Works lotion. Yeah. And something mixing. I'm mixing in this box. Don't judge me. Okay, so first, let's put our. Okay, sorry guys. Ugh, gotta tear that out. Okay, so let's open this. Ah! Ugh, should never done that. Okay. We're going to try to get all the glue out. There we go. Get all the glue out, because I don't want nothing left in here. Yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, then you want to, of course, put your lotion in. So, putting my lotion in, but I'm only putting a little bit. And then just start mixing to get your color first. Okay? And then, of course, you put the laundry detergent. Okay. I put a little bit too much, did I? Ew. Oh, look at my slime. Let's make this more of a, you know. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe it's actually working. Guys, this stuff is actually, ew. Anyways, as I was saying, guys, this thing is actually working. Okay, let's get that beautiful out of there. Okay, I'm gonna, you know, just fix this slime. Yeah, there we go. Yes. my gosh, it smells just like the lotion. Ew, guys, look at this. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This thing is getting everywhere now. Okay. It's turning into slime, guys. Don't worry. It's gotta turn into slime. Don't fail on me now. Ugh. Are you kidding me? Now you're gonna fail on me. After I just did this. Thingy. Come on, thingy. Work. Oh gosh. Okay guys, so this was apparently a DIY fail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, watching me fail. Oh, why isn't it doing nothing? Dude, for real? I'm gonna cry now because this thing won't work. Work for me. So guys, this is how it's gonna turn out. This is how it's gonna turn out, and I'm so disappointed. See, I am so disappointed. I'm gonna even go wash my hands now. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry now, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, sorry. I didn't actually cry, guys. I just said to myself, why didn't this work? So, I'm thinking if we add more of detergent, it will work. So, I am adding more detergent. So, let's see if this works for us. Oh, Lord. Oh, yes, it worked. Sorry that for that noise. It's just when I mix, you know, can't get enough of the Farco. Farco, Mingus, Farco, Mingus, Farco, Mingus, Farco, Mingus. Okay, guys, so it worked. Apparently, now you wanna work. Now you wanna not work. I am so totes right. But guys, it doesn't stick that much. So I would consider this a DI maybe. Because first it was sticky. Like, come on. And then it turned into a little beautiful angel when I added more. But then when I added more and I took it out and it was going so funny, it became sticky again, so it's a DIY. I don't know. But okay guys, so it's not sticky no more. Yay! It's not sticky. But look at all of this, guys. Look at this, guys. Hold on. You stay in there and be good. Okay, look at this. Wait, guys, what am I? Like, seriously? I'm like over here babying my slime. Okay, sorry guys, but it worked. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Sorry I wasn't talking for a while, because, you know, I was just playing with my slime, you know. I didn't recognize you guys were there. Oh, don't be jealous. But anyways, it does work as long as you put more lotion, not lotion, because lotion got me into this mess in the first place. Don't put a lot of lotion. That's why I didn't put a lot of lotion, because, you know, lotion can be watery. And what if your slime didn't work out? So yeah, it doesn't work. You know what to do. Just add more detergent. And look at this. This is how much slime I could have had right now, instead of this sad little piece. But hey, at least I got some. Where's my container? Okay. So yeah. Oh, you guys see my house? Yeah. I'm sorry that suitcase is right there. My mom's friend is staying here for a little while until she finds a house. But yeah. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. And as I said, please subscribe. And please, if you want to do this type of slime, at least pour more detergent. I recommend you use starch, because I made one with starch and it was awesome. It was so awesome. It was so stretchy, bouncy. It was like flubber with borax. So yeah, try starch. If you guys don't have starch, you guys can buy it at Walmart, and you can also buy borax at Walmart if you want to use borax, not borax. Okay, so bye guys, peace out.